Travel is about adventure and the unknown. We learn the most when we are completely dependent on a new culture and the people around us. So, vulnerability is the greatest adventure. Have you ever dreamed of traveling to exotic locations?
Yeah, I feel like it's raining inside me.
Dining at 4-star restaurants?
Chop, chop, chef.
Posh hotels?
And this is so sucky.
Throw it in the back, let's go.
Luxurious spas?
We probably smell so bad.
Meeting the locals? We've spent our professional lives making films for other people. And at one point we realized that what was happening behind the camera was oftentimes more interesting than what was in front.
Is our camera still working?
Barely.
So we created the greatest excuse of all time. We're gonna make our own travel show.
Yeah, no, it's actually just a great excuse. We have way too much responsibility to go on this adventure.
So, with only the help of a few locals, we'll spend 10 days in a foreign country.
This is what a real life breakdown looks like.
We don't know what we'll be eating,
That's the food.
where we'll be sleeping,
So we don't know where we're going. We're just driving this way.
or who we'll be meeting, or where we'll be showering. Or if this is even going to work.
The cameras weren't switched on, so we had to fake the introductions.
As filmmakers, we've always gone out of our way for a good story.
We're building a home.
So we're going to travel the world with only a sleeping bag and a camera, in hopes that our vulnerability will make us better. And it starts with being underprepared and overwilling.
Not only inconvenient time for you, it's like incredibly inconvenient for absolutely everyone else.